Hey everyone, welcome back to the drone location game. We didn't have a winner for the last episode, so let's move on to this beautiful location. I'm looking for the name of this island. If you follow the channel, this is one of the places I've posted videos of recently. That's your first hint. The next hint is the nickname of the island, Pearl of the Pacific. If you can name the resorts on the left and the right, you get extra credit. I know Jan knows the name of the one on the left. I hope you're watching this, my friend. Thank you for being so good to us.